Welcome to the Shy Studio. Today I'm going to do a little painting. I am using my paint from Hippie Crafter. This is also one of their canvases. A while ago they sent me the paint and canvases to give them a try, and it's been a little while since I've done one. And I've got a few canvases left, so I want to use them up and have some fun with it. So I thought I would do this little painting, and the canvases I chose were black canvases, and I'm using a chalk pencil, so it's just basically chalk, to sketch just the basic design that I'm going to do. This is actually going to be the front of a sailboat, because I like sailboats. Plus, I actually saw a picture of something similar to this and really liked it, so I thought this would be fun. And it's got some kind of bright wild colors and would work well with the Hippie Crafter paint. Oh, and I do want to give the original artist credit that her name, I assume is a girl, Nikki Katiki is her name, and yeah, I certainly don't do it justice. Hers is fabulous. So I'm going to pull out the paints. I did a couple of sample cards, and it's a good thing I did one on black, because that will tell me which colors, yeah, I will pull it out, there we go, which colors are going to be opaque and show up better on a black canvas. And this one is not very opaque, but it does show, see, it'll just be dark. I'm going to add a little bit of white to my blue, and that'll help, and that'll make it look like waves in the ocean, right? So now I've grabbed a lighter blue and still some more white, make it really opaque, and we'll get working on the sky. Now those lines I drew, I will come back and paint them in with black, because that will be easier than trying to paint around them. let's get some more color in there besides just the blue. That's very transparent. This might take a while. So I'm going to add a little bit more white to the cell, lighten it up a little bit. Paint those ropes back in that were on the other side that I drew in. Put them in with a little bit of black paint, I think. And getting close to being finished. So I wanted to mention Hippie Crafter again. I will have the link down in the description box below if you're interested. These are their acrylic paints. They're actually really nice. They come in a good range. The sets, I think, is a pretty good range of color. Yeah. And the canvases, they have other stuff, of course. They do pouring paints and pouring mediums and all kinds of fun things. So make sure you check them out. And if you made it this far through my video, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy it. If you did, hit the like button or leave me a comment or share. All those things help my channel, help it keep going and growing. So, yeah. I think I end up putting a little bit more black down in the bottom just because the canvas was matte and these paints are a little bit on the glossy side, so they're not flat or matte, they're like semi-glossy. And I don't know why I had that dark section there, so I thought I would paint over it, but we can just pretend there's a mountain on that side of the boat and not on the other side of the boat, right? We're getting about down to the end. I want to thank all my subscribers and anyone who's still watching. Thank you so much. Have an awesome day.